Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you guys the new thing that I will tell you here. This is the data, the coordinate of the parabola, and these are the xy coordinate or yz. This, if you talk about this is an x-axis and this is y-axis and this is z-axis represent. If our geometry, if we have to, if there is a situation occur when there is, you have to made a 3D design with the help of the coordinate, which is in the form of Excel. So in that case, how you can import? First of all, you have to know that from the Excel file we can also we can also join this Excel file uh, to the CATIA by using macros. This is called macros. Before you have to do this import file, first of all you have to enable the macros in your Excel in your Excel. So how to enable the Excel? So go to file and go to option, and here in which part you have to go trust center. Okay, trust center. After trust center, here this is an macro setting, and do enable all macros. So, and another thing you have to understand that, okay, what is this? Okay, in customize ribbon you have to go and just there is not on click here, in your by default there is no tick system, so you have to activate it also and press OK. Now when I am importing the Excel file to the this this in the my CATIA file, I faced numerous time a simple one error, runtime error. So I will show you with this what type of error that may you encounter while doing this transformation from Excel to CATIA by using macro. First of all, I already told you enabling about the macro. If there is an enable, if you are opening this as a, and you will you have to give the permission through the system enable or not. Here it will pop up. So enable content, that enable. So now go to the staff loft, and now go to the this macro. In if you are in home, you have to go view and then go to macro and view macros. Go to this main, and this is your file name. So go to run and press 1 2, and for the generating for the splines for all you have to generate 3. Okay, now it is showing me the system error, so unspecified error. So it means you have to calculate that, you have to know that in this your CATIA there is you did not open any interface. So first of all go to start and go to mechanical design and part design. Okay, press OK. Now after enabling it, again you have to go here. So I'm trying to show you guys what type of error you can encounter, because everyone saying in an YouTube video, I follow each and every YouTube video and I did not get any idea except one video. So they are not talking about what type of error that you are encounter and how to remove it. So in this, if you found out any video, then they will tell you how to remove it by programmably, because we don't know how to program. Some of you don't know how to program this in this if you want to use macros, then you have to implicitly use the programming language that is CATIA script or any scripting language. It has own programming language. So in this interface we don't need to do any programming. So we have to start loft, start curve, and then click here. Don't click any other here. First of all you have to click start loft from the start loft. So now view macros. Okay, then run and press 3. Okay, it is showing me 400 error. It means again if this type of error shows, again go to the view macros and go to here and select this one and press 3 and go. Again it is showing here, and now I have to go here. It is again showing me, and I am going to this generative. I have two file, same file. I have two same file with same content, but the name is different. So mean run and go 3. So now it started. I have 400 points, and now I'm generating a point for the what point for the parabola. These are the coordinate for the. Now this is showing this object does not support this property or method. So you have to again go here main. In case of generating, I will click here, go to main and run 3. This type of error it will show you. Now you have to start on loft and go to macros. Now main menu, and it is already select. This is our file name. Select this file name and go to run and press 3. Now it will not cause any problem. I hope I have 400 points total. Okay, successfully it is completed. So now let's move to the our here. This is our zoom to fit. This is my parabolas. It has a 400 points from minus 1000 to plus 1000. So after zooming you can know, here you can see the each point, and I'm selecting this command. These are the each point. This is each point 400 point. I made this parabola. So I again go to zoom to fit. For this video, that's all, friend. If you want to draw the 3D figure, now I want to generate this point from the a sheet. So how can you draw the sheet from this point? So I will tell you in next video. So okay, thank you all.